Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to sign in paper.io2 with your Apple ID. First of all, unlock your iOS device and open up paper.io2 on your iOS device. Once you're inside the home page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now you will see sign in with Apple option, tap on it. Now go ahead and continue signing in with your Face ID or your Apple ID password. Follow through the instructions in order to sign in. After you do that, you will be able to log in paper.io2 with your Apple ID. Once signed in, your game progress and achievements are linked with your Apple ID now. You can now safely play on multiple Apple devices without losing progress. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.